Good morning, guys. Today we are studying slope of constant temperature and adiabatic curve on PV diagram for an ideal gas. Slope of constant temperature and adiabatic curve. Adiabatic means constant heat on PV diagram for an ideal gas. Slope of constant temperature and adiabatic curve on PV diagram for an ideal gas. Let's consider first case isothermal. We know ideal gas equation PV equal to mRT, pressure, volume, constant, R also constant, small, this is mass, this is characteristics gas constant, this is temperature. We are considering whole this one as a constant, means PV equal to constant. When we derive it, what we will get? Derive P, we take derivation, let's dV P dV plus V dP equal to 0, constant, differentiation of constant equal to 0, or P dV equal to minus V dP, or dP by dV equal to minus P by V. This is the isothermal. This is for isothermal. How we draw? This is P axis, this is V axis, volume axis. For isothermal process, how the path follows? It follows like this for isothermal process. Let's take for adiabatic. Adiabatic equation for ideal gas equation, PV equal to constant, PV to the gamma equal to constant. We derive it, differentiate it, PV gamma into V to the power gamma minus 1 plus into dV into dV. We are also integrating this part. This is gamma. Okay. Plus V to the power gamma into dP equal to 0, or gamma P dV plus V dP equal to 0. We are taking V to the power gamma as a common, or dP by dV equal to minus gamma P by V. This is adiabatic equation. How we draw in PV diagram? Pressure volume diagram. It is little bit steeper, means little bit downward. For isothermal, this is 1, 2. This is for adiabatic. For isothermal, this is like this, 1, 2. Means adiabatic curve is more steeper than isothermal curve on PV diagram. It is more steeper than this one. Adiabatic curve is more steeper than isothermal curve. The slope of adiabatic curve is gamma times than the isothermal curve. Means slope PV equation for isothermal condition PV equal to C. For adiabatic PV to the power gamma equal to C constant. Means the slope of adiabatic curve is this is for adiabatic, means its curve is gamma times more than isothermal curve on PV diagram. Representation of various processes on PV diagram. We know PV K less K equal to constant. What is the value of K for different processes? Value of K for different processes. Types of process. Value of K is equal to 0 when it is isobaric process. When it is isobaric process, PV to the power 0 equal to constant, means PV 0 equal to constant, means this to the power 0 means P into 1 equal to 0, means pressure equal to constant, means for isobaric process pressure equal to constant. When it is 1 means K equal to 1, means isothermal. How? PVK equal to constant, or PV to the power 1 equal to constant, or PV equal to constant. PV equal to constant means PV equal to MRT. This is constant, means this is constant, this is constant, this is constant, means temperature constant, means isothermal constant for K equal to 1, isothermal. When N, then polytropic process. We have already discussed this. N means polytropic process, gamma means adiabatic. Gamma value 1 to 1.4. Normally we are taking 1.4. It can be any one, normally 1 to 1.6. This N value normally 1 to 1.6. Gamma means 1.4. Infinity when it is isochoric process. Isochoric means constant volume or constant volume. Constant volume. How we draw this in diagram? Let's see compression process. Let's consider one process compression and another process for expansion. Compression means volume decreases. Means from this is 0 point. In this direction volume increases. This is high volume. This is low volume. Compression means volume decreases, means it is coming leftward. Means starting point, let's consider this point. Then volume compressed means volume decreases, means pressure changes. For isobaric, this in this point pressure constant, here also pressure constant, means K equal to 0. Last table you observe, last slide what I told. When K equal to 0, this means isobaric. Isobaric means constant pressure, means K equal to 0. K equal to 1, this is also compressing. Volume 1 to volume 2, this is 2, this is 2 dash, this is 1 point. 1 to 2, this is with K equal to 1. K equal to 1 equal to means isothermal. This is K equal to N 2 double dash K equal to n means polytropic. K equal to 2 triple dash means K equal to here gamma. Gamma means adiabatic. Adiabatic curve is more steeper than isothermal. Adiabatic curve is more steeper than isothermal, and in between them, polytropic process is there. What I told, n value equal to 1 to normally 1.6 or 1.4. I told last year means what is n value? N value between 1 and 1.4 means this n polytropic process will come in between isothermal and adiabatic process. This K equal to infinity. What does it mean? K equal to infinity means constant. This is also K equal to infinity. Means this line is what? Constant volume. Volume is constant, you see. In above all these line, all points are constant volume points. Means this is isochoric process. This is for compression. Similarly for expansion, you see 1 point and 2 point. This is K equal to infinity. Why? This is constant volume line. This is isochoric. This is K equal to gamma, adiabatic. Steeper between these line, it is called K equal to n, adiabatic, polytropic, and this is K equal to 1, isothermal. Do you understand? This is K equal to 0. Why? This is constant pressure line. So this is polytropic process. This is for expansion, this is for compression. Expansion means volume decreases. You see volume decreases in the leftward. Expansion means volume increases. So it is all curves are moving to the rightwards. Let's study about heat. What is heat? Heat is the form of energy which is transferred. Heat is the form of energy which is transferred by the virtue of temperature difference. When there is a temperature difference, let's one body is 30 degrees centigrade, another body is 10 degrees centigrade, means heat will be flow from temperature will be one body temperature is this body temperature is 50 degrees centigrade, another body temperature is body 1, this is body 2, this is 20 degrees centigrade, means temperature will be transferred. When temperature is transferred from the higher body to lower body temperature, that means we will not tell that this is heat transfer, temperature transfer. We will tell heat transfer. When temperature is moving, that means this is called heat. What is specific heat? It is defined as amount of energy required to change the temperature of unit mass of substance through unit degree temperature difference. When there is a temperature difference, the amount of energy required to change the temperature of the unit mass of substance is called specific heat. Two types of specific heat is there, Cp and Cv. specific heat at constant pressure, specific heat at constant volume. Cp greater than Cv always. Why? Because Cp contains both. It contains both internal energy as well as boundary work. But Cv always contain internal energy. No boundary work is there in control volume. Because volume is controlled, so no boundary work is there. Only internal energy is there. So Cp is always greater than Cv. Cp by Cv equal to gamma equal to 1.4. You remember this one also. How you relate how you relate Q directly proportional to mass. You can tell Q equal to M. How directly proportional? Because Q equal to MC delta T. M mass into specific heat. This is specific heat into change in temperature. This equation you remember. Q equal to MC delta T. MC, what is called? MC called specific heat. Another Cp, we already know Cp minus Cv equal to gamma. Cp by Cv equal to gamma and Cp minus Cv equal to R, characteristic gas constant. This means Cp equal to gamma Cv. You know from this equation. Put this value here. Gamma Cv minus Cv equal to R. Take common Cv, means gamma minus 1 equal to R, or Cv equal to R by gamma minus 1. You can write this Cv equal to similarly Cp equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1. What you do, just put Cv equal to Cp by gamma. Where in this equation you got this one. Normally we are in thermodynamics. Normally we are following two types of diagram. One is PV diagram, P pressure volume diagram. Another is TS diagram, means temperature entropy diagram. S means entropy. What is entropy? Entropy is it is the measurement of molecules. It is the measure of molecular disorderness or randomness. Means it measures the molecules. It measures how the molecules are random, how they move, but how speed they are moving in random order. Means here moving here and there. It measures that degree. What is the degree? What is the level they are moving here and there? Means what is they are moving randomly. Entropy of a solid means it is fixed. Molecular fixed means here entropy is minimum and S minimum. For liquid or gas, for liquid it is medium. Entropy is medium value. For liquid, this is liquid, this is solid. For gas, molecule, for gas it is moving here and there, means entropy is maximum.